Good morning. Welcome back to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing? Yes, guys, I'm giving you a little tour of my plants them that I've been keeping alive during the winter. Right now, they're screaming to get outside to explore themselves, but right now, the weather ain't get there yet. But I just want to show you guys how I try to keep these plants alive and how I did that without any grow lights. I have a window that is open up and let the light comes in, but these plants actually doing it without any form of grow lights but the light from the window and then the light from the room itself. If you put on the switch, no grow lights at all. Now let me show you. This is a yam. I already transplant this yam. This yam growing really well. I already transplanted, so I'm gonna keep it in this container. So it's gonna be in this container. As you see going on here, this is another yam, and we have a ginger growing up inside here. So this is 2 yams so far. We have another yam growing up here in this container growing up. That's 3. We have 1 more growing up here. This is 4. This is a crepe myrtle that I rooted and it's walking. This is an avocado that's growing up here. Down over here we have another yam growing up. Down in this area here we have ginger and we have a tall avocado growing up in here. Okay. Right here we have yam. We're going to transplant this yam. The only yam I don't want to transplant is the yam that's now starts sprouting. I'm going to keep, yes, I will transplant them, but I'm going to keep them in container. This one, I'm going to put it outdoor in the soil. Down inside there, as you see, we have yam growing up here already. This is the next yam we have growing right here. And this is another yam we have growing right here. Okay, this ginger, In this container here, that's an avocado plant. I leave it outside. And the weather beat it down, and then I bring it, put it in the garage, and it starts shouting again. Over here we have ginger. This is a different type of ginger that I usually grow. This is the same ginger, this big ginger that is usually grow. Looking healthy. Over there we have a mango. The mango I had it outside as well. The weather hit it, I bring it in, and it's showing sign of surviving. All right. So in this pot, we have some potato that I had growing just to see how things going. Yes. Okay. In this container, we have 2 yam, but this is a big container. So we have this, we have 2 of the same type of yam growing. So yes, guys, this is what I'm doing, man. Keeping these plants going. This is peppers and ginger in this container. This container, I'm not transplanting the ginger. I'm allowing them to grow. But the pepper, in like a week or 2, they will be going in the ground as well. And don't forget, guys, I have a bell pepper series going on, how to grow massive bell pepper tree. Tune in, and also don't forget, I have a container garden series going on as well. Tune in. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Peace.